basil plants to grow forever, so we can use them in our cooking all the time. Here is how we regrow the roots of a basil plant. So you cut out branches like this and then remove all the leaves from the bottom. So the more you remove, the more nutrients will go down to the roots, and then the basil roots will grow out faster. Then we put the branch in a cup with a little bit water at the bottom like this. You'll see in a few days the root will start to grow out. Here are some basil branches I cut out and loosely tied and put in the water 5 days ago. Now you can see the roots are growing out. Now we can replant them in the garden to enjoy more basil in the future.